Hello everyone! Looking for the most complete and updated version of Promob Plus Enterprise? Well, I have the exclusive license at an affordable price. And check this out, this is the 2025 version, with Cut Pro already activated. And it also includes Real Scene 1.0, which gives your projects a super realistic, professional look. Perfect for woodworkers, designers, and custom furniture shops who are looking for speed, organization, incredible rendering, and much more. You'll receive the full package. Promob Plus Enterprise 2025, version 5.60.40.1, plus Cut Pro, all activated and ready to install on your computer. No subscriptions, no monthly fees, just a one-time investment with no hassle. So contact me now and get your exclusive license and start designing like a true professional. Today, thanks a lot, and see you in the next video.